This is Gage and Roman. Best buds. Fighting over their toys already. Did you knock your heads together? But no, I want
The
it.
only thing they want.
Oh, get it. Oh, that's too far. Oh, no. You might have to get something else. What else could you get? Maybe the rug. I don't know. Tell him you want it back. Oh.
It's like that was hard work. Oh.
He got it. What? What?
Oh, he's trying so hard to get there. He's like, listen here. That's mine.
He's like, but no, he's not trying to get it anymore. Now it's not that fun.
Oh. He's looking like, you're trying to steal this from me. What do you think you're doing?
What's that? No, that looks more fun.
Are you telling him? Yeah.
What's the matter? What's the matter?